changamuka, steam panda, steam panda, steam panda. So I just got a load going to Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona to Minneapolis. It's about 1600 miles. I need to be there by Friday. Today is Wednesday. I don't know if I'll make it. If I don't make it by Friday, I'll have to stay in Minneapolis until Tuesday because Monday is a holiday, and I can't waste time there. I have to keep moving. Oh, and it's starting to snow up north, so I have to push this one. I'm pushing this one. So see you on the road. I trust that I'm gonna make it. So right now I'm going to pick up. I'll take some shots at the pickup location and on the road. Yeah, enjoy my trip, and I'll keep you posted on in every city that I go. See you soon. Bye.
After 500 feet, turn right onto East Greenway Parkway.
Arrived here in New Mexico. It's around 12:30. Been a long drive. I'm on my 30 minutes break. We usually have 30 minutes break. Yeah, then I'll start off again for another 2 hours. Then I call it a day for at least another 10 hours. So in a day you have to have a 30 minutes break, and that has to be before 8 hours is over from the time you start your day. So this is my 30 minutes break. Then I'll set off again for another maybe 1 or 2 hours. I want to get to Albuquerque, New Mexico. That's where I want to spend the night. Then I'll continue. Catch you when I get there. Bye. 2 a.m. Oh, it has been a long drive. So I have to call it a day and rest for the next 10 hours. So every day you have to rest for at least 10 hours out of the 24 hours. And that is the law. So I've run out of time for today. So I'm scheduled to, I can start driving after 10 hours. So now is to sleep, I guess. I hope I'll be able to make it. The time is a little bit tight. There is winter storms ahead, but I believe God will help me. I'll be able to get on time. Trying to get there by Friday latest. If I don't make it, I'll have to deliver on Tuesday. So that is a 3-day, actually almost a 4-day delay. So time is tight. Let me try and get some nap for today. Now my time has just restarted. Without wasting time, I am off. Kwenda sasa. I'll try and do about 6 hours non-stop. Maybe just to stop to fuel.
Your route may be affected by winter storm warning.
Enjoy. Oh, it's cold. I'm refueling. I'm in a place called The Hut, Texas. I never knew Texas snows, but it's crazy. Very cold.
Turn right.
Got to Cameron, Missouri. Oh, it's cold. 5 degrees Fahrenheit. The truck stop is pretty full, but I got a spot. So just got some coffee and something small to eat. Let me show you around. Missouri. Hey. It feels like negative 17. 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And it feels like negative 17. Ah, man. Woo-wee. Cold. The grind must go on. Mind over matter. Mind over matter. Mind over matter. Mind over matter. Ah. Ah. It's crazy. Jeez.
Matthew 8 speaks of how Jesus calmed the storm. You see, at a time where the disciples were so afraid and they were, crying out to Jesus, help us. Jesus was not worried. Jesus was asleep because he knew he had power over these storms. And Jesus has given us power to overcome our challenges. When he woke up, he told them, "Ye of little faith, where is your faith? Why are you so afraid?" And I think that is the question that God would ask many of us. Why are we so afraid to venture out? Why are we so afraid of failure? Why are we so afraid of, pursuing our dreams, pursuing that business that has not been so successful in the past? Why are we so afraid to start afresh? And this scripture really speaks to me about who we have in our boat, or who do we have in our businesses. It is a call for us to invite Christ to be in our business, to be a partner in our business, to be Lord of our business. For he He has the power. He will give you advantage over storms. The fear of failure will be no more, and you shall see good success.
Can't see anything. I'll go to the next hotel, something, or rest area. Just wait. It should clear later tonight. There is a last 30 minutes ahead. That's what I'm targeting. It is bad. You can't see anything. I'm going almost 30 miles an hour, 35 miles an hour on average. But past Iowa, past Lemoore, it's clear. So right ahead, I might be good, hopefully. But I might just pull up to truck stop. Getting out of the main road is even more dangerous because the exits are full of snow. So I'd rather just go through it. According to the weather radar shows that it's only like 20 miles wide, so I'm right in the thick of it right now. I should be out of it in a few minutes. But if I find labs and the exit looks clear, I might just pull over. Pilot, one of these gas stations.
Route recalculation.
It's bad, my people. It's bad. There's a lot right here. Rather wait.
2 miles, turn right for Dubuque Avenue.
Rather wait here. Wait to clear. Not playing with it. Not playing with this storm. Let me pull over. Let me pull over. Let me pull over.
Continue for half a mile.
The wind. I think it's about 40 miles per hour wind or more. It's crazy. Oh. So I got stuck. So I got caught in a storm on my way to Minneapolis. So I'm in Iowa, a town called Ellsworth, at Love's gas station. Oh, there is a blizzard. It has been passing through since probably 2 hours ago, and they're saying it will clear probably at 6 p.m. Right now it's about 2, so another 4 hours. So I was caught right in the middle of it, but I had to, just push through. But I got to this place, I said it was getting worse, so I said nah, I have to just pull over. I just have to get somewhere safe and stop and wait for it to clear. It's been crazy. is a tow truck looking for business, looking for trucks that are broken down on the highway. So they are pretty busy today. I've seen dozens of cars on the side and dozens of trucks.
Next right onto 211th Street. Feet, turn right onto 777th Avenue.
Oh, that was quite some drive. Thank God I'm here now in Minneapolis. In Minnesota actually. Still have like 1.5 hours to my destination. So yeah, let me just stop up. cold, too cold. The good thing is that I'm in Minnesota now. Just an hour and a half left. Still a little bit windy, quite windy actually. But yeah, get there. And then I might get a hotel over there. Fish. Man, it's so cold. Look at the water that I left in the truck. Solid ice. That's how cold it is in Minneapolis.